Good day. My name is Aldrin Natinon. This is simple case analysis on points of encounter. First is encounter point 1. The voice on the phone. For problem, lack of proper equipment, lack of proper communication. Due to their lack of proper equipment, they will not understand each other well in the reservation. For solution, having check up on appliances or monthly maintenance of equipment throughout the hotel. The staff should also be informed the condition of the room. For recommendation, upgrade the equipment such as telephone to have smooth communication with guests and keep the checking if the vacant rooms are in order. Encounter point 2. Cut mo muna pa. Encounter point 2. Our delightful driver. For problem, the hotel driver was not wearing a hotel uniform and other hotel staff did not properly inform him of the guest form needed to pick. Encounter point 2. Our delightful driver. For problem, the hotel driver was not wearing a hotel uniform and other hotel staff did not properly inform him of the guest who needed to be picked up ahead of time. The driver also did not take care of the guest belongings properly. For solution, driver should also know how to treat guests properly and have communication between the driver and the front office. A hotel should have many drivers that there is no shortage of vehicles to pick up guests. For recommendation, drivers need to be taught how to treat guests properly. The staff should also inform the assigned driver the schedule of guest arrival ahead of time before the time to pick up the guest. The driver should also know the location when the guest will be picked up.
Encounter point 3. The invisible bellcup. Problem. The bellboy's interaction with guests was not pleasant or welcoming. Due to the guest carrying a lot of luggage, the bellboy attempted to interview, which was perceived negatively. Solution. Communication with guests politely about how to handle heavy luggage. Recommendations. The front office or manager shall be the ones to address guests, especially when issues like this arise. The bellboy should also offer assistance in a friendly manner. Additionally, the hotel staff should be trained on how to properly welcoming a guest.
Go. Encounter point 4. The front desk. Problem. The desk clerk was slow in assisting guests and the reservation for the guest arrival was not properly processed. Solution. The desk clerk should assist the guest promptly. They should always double check reservation details. The room should be clean and ready before the guest arrival. Recommendations. Guests should be attended to quickly upon arrival at the hotel. The desk clerk should communicate with guests and offer assistance. Always check the room condition before accepting reservation. Go. The first point of encounter is the voice on the phone, and it's all about how they receive a hotel room in the telephone call. The second is all about to the driver who didn't arrive at the right time to pick up the guest. Next is all about the invisible bellcup. It's all about the guest belongings being overweight, so the bellhop or hotel staff was trying to debug. And last is that front desk is all about the guest reservation was not approved, and all of this important in hotel because we might encounter this kind of problem. Number 2, the setting of the story is in the front desk of hotel. The purpose of telephone call is for the guest hotel room reservation, asking the front office if there is a van to pick them up, or if they have other needs at the front office.
Number 4. All the endings were not good because it did not show how they solved the problem. And if we're to write the ending, I would make the story more realistic. I will solve the problem and treat guests right. Number 5. This is related to our subject because we may encounter this kind of problem if we work in hotel. In this problem, we are able to think about how to solve these kinds of problems that we can use in the future. Number 6. I learned from this story is to communicate properly, whether in a person or on telephone call, especially in the hotel industry. You need to take the information of reservation properly. And it's also important to treat the guests well. I also learned to think a solution for problems like this.